friends, welcome to my channel Dental Edge. I am Dr. Bhanuchak, and today in this video I'll be telling you what books you should refer for BDS first year. If you're new to my channel, I'm an MDS in oral pathology and I make videos and dental topics in a very simplified manner. So if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Now, if you're anybody who's just entering the BDS or who's studying in BDS first year, this video will be really helpful for you. Now, when you enter BDS, there's lots of confusion since you just come out from your schooling or the 12th standard and it's a new environment for you. Maybe you're living away from your home in the hostel and they are entirely different subjects. So I think this video will help you to understand what subjects are there and what books you should refer for those subjects. So basically there will be exams for 3 subjects. One is DA-DH, that is Dental Anatomy and Dental Histology. The second is Physiology and Biochemistry. Basically these are 2 subjects but the exam is single. So the second is Physiology and Biochemistry. The third is Anatomy, right? So let's see first what are the books that you have to refer for Dental Anatomy, that is DA. In DA the standard book is Wheeler's. Now I'll show you the book. This is the book Wheeler's that is used for dental anatomy. In dental anatomy basically you have to understand the morphology of a tooth, that is, as a dentist you should understand how a particular tooth appears in the mouth. So this book, this subject, it refers to what are the shapes of different teeth and how do they appear. For example, if a patient comes to you, how will you identify a particular tooth? So what is the numbering of the tooth, what is the name of the tooth, what are the different morphology or shapes of various tooth. So this is the book for that. The book is Wheeler's. I am having old edition since I bought it during my BDS and I am still using it. So this book is very helpful. It is the standard book. The department will also refer to this book only. So go for Wheeler's without any doubt for dental anatomy. Link for all the books I am mentioning below in the description box. You can check whichever book you require from the link below. Then the second is dental histology. Now dental histology is a subject in which we study about the histology of the tooth or the oral cavity structures. For example, if I take a section of the tooth and I see it under a microscope, how will the different parts of the tooth appear, and if I take a section of the oral mucosa, then how will it appear on the slide. And for dental histology, the book is Orban's. Again, this is an old edition. I am telling you, all my books are old editions. You go for the new editions or whatever is your choice. There will be a little difference between the old and the new edition. Some new pictures will be added, some text will be added, so prefer going for the new editions. Now Orban's, this is also a standard book. In your department also for dental histology, you will be asked to refer to Orban's only. So go for Orban's in dental histology. So this is done, DA-DH. In case you want to read in a little more detailed, there is one other book which is called as 10K. This is 10K. Some people also prefer reading from 10K. Now next is Physiology. In Physiology basically 2 books I referred. One is Sambulingam. Now this is a good book. It is easy to read and understandable, so I personally like this book. Nowadays a dental version of this Sambulingam also comes. You can check that as well, although I use the medical version of the Sambulingam. And there is one more book, that is A.K. Jain. Many people also prefer using it. I had both A.K. Jain as well as this Sambulingam. Now A.K. Jain, in this a little point by point it is given. For me, remembering is more easier when there is a little story or a base to the concept, and I don't like direct point to point books. So A.K. Jain is little point to point, but people prefer using it. You can go for it also, depends on your study pattern, whatever you like. Although there are 2 books, Guyton and Genong. So if you have plans to prepare for some competitive exam in the future, you should go for Guyton or Genong. But for BDS, Sambulingam or A.K. Jain is enough. But if you want to study in detail and if you want to prepare for some entrance exam from now onwards in future, then Guyton or Genong will really clear your concepts. I have Genong also. While preparing for my post graduation, I used it. So this is Genong, a very nice book. You can go for it also. For biochemistry, there is a book called as Satyanarayan. Sorry, I don't have it right now with me. I always felt biochemistry is a little difficult, so I referred Satyanarayan as well as I took notes in the classroom. So that were easier for me to prepare biochemistry. Then there are certain manuals for biochemistry and physiology. You can take any manual as teachers in the department tell you. We were asked to get a practical manual of AKGen. It is a good practical manual and you can go for it also, or anything that is referred to you by the department. Now next is anatomy. In anatomy, the standard book is BD Chaurasia. It's a very good book. If I show you, sorry for the condition of the book, from the condition you can know how much I studied from this book. So BD Chaurasia, this is a standard book. You have to get volume 3, which includes head and neck, and volume 4, which includes brain. In my book, the brain was included in the same volume. I think there is a separate volume for brain now, so you can check that out. But you have to get the volume that includes head and neck, which is a 3rd volume, and brain as well. Now, in addition to this anatomy, there are 2 more parts to it. There is embryology, that is development is there. For that, the book is Inder B. Singh. You should refer it. So this is the book Human Embryology by Inder B. Singh. It's a very good book. There are questions from embryology as well in the anatomy paper, so you will have to read that as well. Go for the book Inder B. Singh for embryology. And one more thing, there is also histology. So for this, the book is Textbook of Histology by G.P. Pal, a very nice book. You can refer it. So these were the books. For anatomy, in addition to BD Chaurasia, you can go for Gray's Anatomy if you want to read at high level. Although I will refer that you go for BD Chaurasia for anatomy, for histology, the book by G.P. Pal sir, and for embryology, book by Inder B. Singh. Again, the link for all the books is mentioned below. You can check all the books. Also, there is one more subject, that is dental material. You will have to go for the practicals and there will be some lectures for the same, although this subject is covered in the 2nd year. But maybe you will need to buy the book for the same, but there is no exam for dental materials in 1st year. If you want, I can tell you for dental material, if you want to start reading from now only, the book is Phillips. This is the standard book. This is referred by the department and everything is given in detail very nicely. If you want notes for the same or in short, then there is a book called as Manapalil, but you should go for Phillips and Manapalil both. And yeah, these were the books for 1st year BDS. I hope this lecture helps you. I was in the same boat few years back and I know how confusing it is at times. That's why I thought of making this video. If there is any query, do let me know in the comment box. Also, if you want any other lectures, any kind of help for your BDS, 1st year, any year if you want, do let me know that also in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching the lecture. It takes lots of effort to make such lectures. Your one like can give me lots of encouragement. So do like my video, subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you.